Gonna do a half-day hike. I'm not that keen on walking. Oh, wow. Very first hike of my life.
Nice Himalayan.
Semi-angry lady. Well, I did it! That was fun. Welcome to vlog 4. Gonna do a half-day hike to Tāwharanui. The original plan was to also camp there, but it's quite a popular coastal area, really popular. So all the campings were already booked. The very first actual hike in my life. Yeah, so back home in the Netherlands, my friends will know that I'm not that keen on walking. And over here, of course, the entire country is all about hiking and walking in nature. So, gotta try it. I think it will be different. I think I'll love it. So that's why I'm doing a half-day hike. 10 k's, about 700 meters of height difference. Well, the very first hike in my life, I must say. I got new hike shoes to prepare for it, so let's see how they work. So Clyde fell over on the driveway this morning. So if I sound a bit grumpy, it's because of that. But it happens. And Clyde is a Royal Enfield, so no issue at all. Oh, wow. How does this work? Gorgeous. Okay, very first hike in New Zealand. Very first hike of my life. I'm gonna get changed and do the walk.
Good day, eh?
Yeah.
Nice Himalayan.
Yeah, nice PTM.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's got to go for the 1000k service next week, so.
Oh, you got it brand new?
Yeah, so I just like smashing up some k's.
Yeah, have a good one, eh?
You too.
You better.
Yeah.
gotten a bit busier than when I arrived here. Semi-angry lady because I didn't park it in the bike spot. I didn't know there was a bike spot. Oh, popular destination. Everybody's looking for a spot. Well, I did it! The first actual hike. That was fun. Cool bird. Beautiful views. Extremely hot. I drank like 2 liters of water. Unfortunately not allowed to use the drone because the birds are nesting here, but it is what it is. We have to respect the nature. So heading back to home, meeting a friend for a coffee later. It's a hot weekend. Tomorrow it will be 27 degrees. Do recommend this hike. 8 out of 10 would do again. Let's have some nice riding on the way back. Wow, that's pretty cool. Lost the wind cover again. Have to fix the audio. Oh well, was a nice vlog. Short one. See you in the next one. Bye.